Alrighty everybody, welcome to Racing Lawnmower Build Day 4. I'm a little unfortunate, forgot all of my stuff in my house. I do have a few tools in here. That's what I'm working with, and the stuff in the garage, random stuff. Now we're gonna go on a little adventure, trying to find the rabbit, just the rabbit. You'll see what the rabbit is in a second, and my face is really dirty. But anyway, I got a GoPro. I found one in my bag. I don't have the larger one, but I have my mini. So that's right there, capturing all the good footage. Hopefully it doesn't get knocked off or hit by like a limb. Because I know there are limbs, but hopefully it's high enough where it doesn't do that. Well, we made it in under 15 minutes. So this car is supposed to be the car that you're seeing right now, and it's the Golf V1 or the Golf Mark 1 is what it's like. That's the name of it. I don't know if it's on here or not, Mark 1, but everybody down here just called it Rabbit. So I actually really like the look of the Mark 1. Front wheel drive. Very small little car, but pretty cool though. Mark 1, aka the Rabbit. Or Rabbit, aka Mark 1, however you want to say it. And then we'll head back. Well, I mowed that little bit of the pasture. It's not very noticeable because it was already kind of cleared. But I mean, it's definitely mowing. Like there's like stuff. Like there's debris flying out of here. So yeah, let's go. It died on me, so I'll probably just, I don't know. Yeah. I'll try to get as much as I can done. I mean, I'm not that far away. I can just drag with my other mower. But yeah, let's keep going.